Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by creating a multi-track session with the correct sample rate and bit depth, because format mismatches cause edits later. Once done, add a new track, select your microphone input, and adjust preamp so peaks sit around -12 dB. Make a 3-5-second test recording, listen for noise or clipping, and enable input monitoring so you hear yourself. Make sure to arm the track for record. These first steps lock in clean levels and prevent wasted takes. You now record your takes, using punch-in for corrections to avoid redoing full passages. Once recorded, listen through and mark the best phrases with markers. This speeds comping. Use the spectral frequency display to visually identify breaths, mouth clicks, or sibilants and remove or reduce them. Make small clip gain adjustments and apply short fades to eliminate pops. When using noise reduction, capture a noise print and apply mild reduction so you finish by applying track processing, a subtractive EQ to tame lows and harsh highs, a gentle compressor to even dynamics, and a de-esser for sibilants. Once satisfied, add a transparent limiter on the master bus and aim for around -1 dB peak and roughly -16 to -14 LUFS depending on platform. Export to WAV or MP3 with correct bitrate and metadata. If issues arise, check phase, input clipping, and recapture problem phrases. A quick retake usually fixes artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.